Hello again. Welcome to this short video. I'd like to show you these oddities from the StarTAC collection of phones that I have. I got these phones several years ago as part of an auction on eBay, and I was quite surprised when I got them because they had these England logos on them. So I've done some research online, and it appears that these two here could have been handed out to the team that played in the World Cup for England in 1998. So let's have a look at this one as well. So they've got the England logos. This phone doesn't look to be used at all. It's got a cover on the screen there and looks to be in really good condition. Just to show you, on the back they have numbers. And I did have a look online, and basically it looks like they may have been phones that were handed out to people involved with the England World Cup squad of 1998. This one here is actually Dave Sexton, who was a player and England manager, and he may have been involved as part of the squad. He would have been fairly old by then, I think, but he would have possibly being part of the squad. But the phones that I have lower numbers, which seem to tally up with players that could have been involved in the World Cup squad for England in that year. So that was the World Cup where England played Argentina, and they had quite an eventful game, and David Beckham got sent off, and unfortunately went to penalties, and we lost. so that was the World Cup back in 1998. So what I'll do, I'll just show you the number here. So this one here is number 19. So this could have been Leslie Ferdinand, and he was an unused sub, so didn't get to play for the team in that in those games, in that competition. So this phone here, a little bit more interesting, is number 15. So this is Paul Merson. Now he didn't play in any of the games until the Argentina game, and he was brought in right at the end of that game. So I'm just wondering if these two were presentation phones to those players. So this would have been one of them, and this would have been the other. So there would have been probably phones for the whole team. So here I also received these phones. Now, just to say that the StarTACs were popular sort of 96 onwards, so this would have been the year 1998, and this Ericsson here would have been probably the year 2000. So this has got an England logo on, but unfortunately there's no numbers or anything else that makes it particularly interesting. So I really don't know about that one. I've no idea. So but this would have been the Euros maybe in the year 2000. So I am just guessing there. So yeah, so they would have been on the network 1-to-1, and I've tried them on the Virgin mobile network here in the UK, and they do still work. So so as long as those cards are available, and because these handsets would have been locked to the provider. And there you are. So just thought that'd be something interesting to show. Maybe someone else has got one of these and or has seen them and can add some comments to the video in the comment section, please. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, can you like it and subscribe for some more interesting videos. Thank you very much.